A box contains 3 black and 5 red balls of the same size. If a ball is picked at random, what is the probability that it is black? This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question, and after that you pick the correct option. The question tells us that the box contains 3 black balls and 5 red balls. So it means that the total number of balls in the box is 3 plus 5, which will give us 8. We want to find the probability that the ball is black. The probability that the ball is black is equal to the number of black balls in the box divided by the total number of balls. The number of black balls in the box is 3. The total number of balls is 8. So the probability that the ball is black is equal to the number of black balls, which is 3, divided by the total number of balls, which is 8. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is A, 3 divided by 8.